Hi, I'm Didi Caldwell, the Factory Whisperer. Today, I thought it would be a great opportunity to highlight the best performing metros from the East North Central region for food manufacturing, one of the strongest performers in Global Location Strategy's 2025 Best Places for Food Manufacturing report. Each year, our team ranks the best U.S. metros, all 387 of them, for food manufacturing based on cost, quality, and industry momentum. Spanning 70 metros across Wisconsin, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, the East North Central region is a national leader in food production. It's known for meat processing, dairy, baked goods, cereals, and animal food. With deep agricultural roots, efficient logistics, and a skilled workforce, it attracted more food manufacturing projects in the last 2 years than any other region in the country. It also drew the highest number of European-backed investments. 32% of all European food manufacturing projects landed in the East North Central region. So, which metro came out on top? Let's start counting them down. Number 5, Kenosha, Wisconsin. Starting off our list, Kenosha offers competitive cost and excellent access to major Midwest markets. Its location between Milwaukee and Chicago makes it a strategic hub for distribution and logistics. Number 4, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Fort Wayne continues to attract food manufacturers with its affordable operating environment and strong transportation infrastructure. Its central location and skilled workforce add to its appeal. Number 3, Wausau, Wisconsin. Up 9 spots from last year, Wausau now ranks 20th nationally. It's home to Sioux Ginseng Enterprises, one of the largest ginseng producers in the U.S., and Wausau also benefits from a strong agricultural base and growing food sector. Number 2, Lafayette, West Lafayette, Indiana. Ranked 14th nationally, this metro is home to Purdue University and is emerging as a hub for food innovation and logistics. Its research ecosystem and talent pipeline make it a standout in the region. And finally, number 1, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Topping the list is Green Bay, ranked 11th nationally, known for its cheeses, obviously, sauces, and dressings. It's a major food production hub. Nearby Jefferson was recently selected by Kikkoman for a $560 million seasonings facility, further cementing the region's leadership in food manufacturing. Beyond the rankings, Indianapolis earned the region's highest quality score, while Mansfield, Ohio delivered the lowest operating cost, making both key players in the food manufacturing landscape. From field to factory to fork, the East North Central region is feeding the future. Want to learn more about our assessment of this region or any other region? Be sure to download our report and check out our other videos where I highlight the best metros across the U.S. for food manufacturing. I'm Didi Caldwell. Until next time.